近代嘅 game 咧，喺畫面裏面多咗一樣嘢咧，你哋已經習以為常，就係見到金幣同銀幣嘅增加，所以你就會知道咧點為之做得啱，乜嘢先至最重要，你為咗乜嘢去打呢個 game， 而呢個 game 當中你得到啲乜嘢先至係個 game 嘅獎賞。但人生係冇呢個畫面，我哋唔知道人生乜嘢係可以得到獎賞，係咪先？Life's a game we all play.
Character leads the way. Points we earn every day makes us who we are. Meditate on truth divine. Let it shape your heart and mind. In the end you'll find rewards eternally.
《聖經》裏面點幫我哋見到呢一個嘅畫面？就耶斯上身嘅話，你喺暗中做嘅嘢呢，神係會暗中察看，神會察驗你嘅心腸肺腑，係咪啊？聖經有冇咁講啊？佢有冇強調我哋個內心應該點樣？但係乜嘢使到我哋可以有咁嘅 perspective 呢？就係你信呢個聖經。
Keep playing the game in sunshine and in rain, with a heart that remains in pursuit of the prize. Keep playing the game in sunshine